I didn't really know what to expect when I was in there, but I'm glad I did, because I didn't have a broad idea of what's going on with the whole thing, because this gets so diluted in media and everything. I think your opinion could be massively swayed, but actually seeing them and the politicians themselves and their ideas gives you a massive insight of actually what's going on.
Brilliant, brilliant. I mean, it was very interesting towards the end when everybody sort of wanted to have a proper debate. I didn't know so much about like the actual statistics and the facts and stuff like that, so it was interesting to get an insight on the actual, like the real stuff, like the real sort of amounts of homeless people, for example, like all that type of stuff. That was very eye-opening.
One of my friends signed me up for it, so but I'm glad I did, because I didn't have a broad idea of what's going on with the whole thing.
We need to work on our future, whether it be on the climate or budgeting for education and for the NHS in itself.
If I ask a question of mental health and how what the NHS is going to do and how they're going to fund it, particularly personal, through family and friends, it's a massive issue.
No, it's split between Labour and Lib Dems, and I think I will be voting Labour, just because I think their policies are stronger.
I had slight ideas and for who I don't like, but it's been so up in the air that I hadn't thought of who I wanted to vote for and what policies are what policies and what's the right choice. But I think now coming out from it and how they've come across has definitely helped me decide who I wanted to vote for.
Hello, I'm Mira and I helped to organise the hustings today at Lewes. I really wanted to organise the hustings because it gets the students involved and encourages them to vote in their elections. I thought it went really well. All the students were very engaged.